It's December 2019 and tax season is upon us. Make sure that you stay tuned to watch the entire video because I've got a bonus tip at the end for my sellers out there. Francisco Isaula here, the AZ Bearded Realtor. Now, what we're talking about today are what I feel are the top 5 tax deductions you can receive when owning a home. Now, I want to preface this with I am a prior tax professional turned realtor, but make sure that you talk to your accountant or your CPA because every situation is different. All right, let's jump into it. Number 1, mortgage interest. We have it every month. We pay it every month. Now, the IRS stipulates if you have a mortgage under $750,000, you are eligible to write off the interest that we pay off every year. Number 2, property taxes. You can write off up to $10,000 in property taxes if you're single or married filing jointly. Now, if you're married filing separately, there are some other guidelines or less amounts. I'll make sure to put a link in the bottom to the IRS website. Number 3, mortgage discount points. Now, when you're going through lending, you're able to purchase these points to buy down the interest rate. What that does is helps you with your monthly payments. On the flip side, you're able to write off these points, how much you paid for them, as a tax write-off. Now, the IRS has 9 steps that you must take to qualify for this write-off. So make sure that you look into that and talk to your accountant about it to make sure that you qualify. Number 4, the HELOC, the home equity line of credit. Now, these are no longer tax deductible with the stipulation and the exception that you use the home equity line of credit towards the home improvement or to make it updated. At that point, you're allowed to use the interest that is accumulated through the HELOC as a tax write-off. So make sure that you talk to your accountant and see if that qualifies you. Number 5, private mortgage insurance, PMI. Now this is one to follow because this actually ran out in 2017, but recently, January 2019, a bill was introduced to reenact this. Now, make sure that you like my page and you click the little bell to follow. If they come up with a decision, I'm gonna put it out there. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a bonus tip for my sellers. Sellers, if you're considering selling your home, you gotta make sure that you're aware of capital gains. Now, the IRS has 2 steps, time and use. The time, you must live in the house 2 years, and it must be your primary residence for those 2 years. Now, all this is just information for you and your own benefit. Make sure that you talk to your CPA and your accountant to make sure that you're getting the most out of your home. That is the whole reason why I'm letting you know so that you can get that benefit and utilize one of the biggest purchases that you've made. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you got any benefit from this video, make sure you hit that like button below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.